Okay, so I just ate that salmon and I'm not even exaggerating. I think that's the best salmon I have ever had, and I have had salmon at very high-end restaurants and everything, anywhere you can think of. So you guys need to try this recipe. Like I just felt like I had to. So this is going to be the intro to my video because I just feel like so passionately after eating the salmon. So I really wanted to emphasize the salmon is freaking amazing. I really want you to try it. I hope you try it. And if you do try it, please comment down below and let me know. It is delicious. Oh my goodness. It was cooked to absolute perfection. The flavor is there. It is so flavorful. You need to try this guy's rub. It is incredible. My potatoes were so good and everything was just really, really good. So I really hope you enjoy this simple, absolutely like so simple dinner. And I just can't believe I'm almost 40 years old and I've never made salmon like this before. So okay, I'm just making dinner now and I'm having a little bit of wine. I'm chopping potatoes. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I cut up all these baby potatoes. I'm going to cut up some carrots. And I was just watching this guy's YouTube video on barbecuing salmon. I've never barbecued salmon before, so I'm going to try it tonight and I'm really excited. He also had this rub that he makes with sugar, so I'm going to try his recipe. I know I don't have all of the ingredients, but I know it will be similar enough and I think it should be really good. So I'm really excited to try this. Yay! Okay, I will, yeah, I'll show you guys how I do my potatoes. Okay, so this is what I'm going to add into the potatoes with olive oil. So I have garlic powder, I have chili flakes, some parsley, dried onion bits, and some salt. And I will add pepper as well. Okay, I don't want to get my hands dirty with the olive oil, so I'm going to use a spoon to mix this all around, and then I just put it on a pan, and I think I'll do the temperature a little bit lower. I might do it at like 400 for 20 minutes and then I'll check it. I can't remember actually how long I normally do it for, so I just kind of go by eye, like checking it and seeing how it looks. So yeah, just lay them out on a pan, and I put quite a lot of salt. Why can't I talk? I really like salt on my potatoes, so I have it at 400. Actually, I'm gonna put it up higher. Okay. And I will do 20 minutes. Hi, Bootsy. Hi. So this is the salmon I'm using. They're not the biggest pieces, but they are sockeye salmon. They are from Costco. They come in a big bag in the freezer section. I also got the potatoes from Costco. And I'm just going to cut up some carrots now. Okay, so I was showing you guys my patio the other day with my flowers I potted. So here are my flowers, and I was actually adding some soil to this one today because it kind of made holes. There's some air pockets in there, and I seen some of the flowers are kind of dying on the outside. I think I might need to move it more into the sun too, but yes, this is my patio. And I'm going to show you the barbecue I used, which is this Everdure, and Jay just got this. I really like it. So if you are looking for a new barbecue, I do really recommend this barbecue. It comes with 2 shelves, and he says don't put anything here because it's going to scratch. So I try to listen, but it is dusty. There is a cover. Sometimes I leave it off. Okay, so this is what happened when I made my salmon though, is the skin stuck, and I didn't want to keep scratching the grill, so I just kind of left it there. But yeah, if you are looking for a new barbecue, this is the one we have. And what I really love about it, I'll show you guys how it lights. Don't mind the salmon skin. I'm sorry, I know it's kind of not pretty, but so you literally just take this knob, you push it down, and then you go like that, and then I don't think you can see, but like the thing goes right around where the flame goes, and it is lit. It is so easy, and then to turn off, push down and turn to off. It's really, really nice. And then this is the temperature gauge. And this is where the propane sits. So it's nice because it's not too big. There's just really something about the flame and the grill itself, like the top, I don't know what this is called, where you grill. It feels nice, like compared to our old barbecue, which was quite generic. This just feels a lot more luxurious, I guess. I don't know, there's something about it, and just the way it lights, it's very nice and easy to operate. And then I don't know if this came with it or he got this separate, but this is the cover. Okay, so I made the rub and I put it on my salmon. Tip: do not aggressively rub your salmon because it easily starts to come apart. I have my carrots chopped up and cooking. So I'm going to go and start the barbecue, and I will keep you posted. Okay, so I totally checked out and I forgot to show you guys me barbecuing, but I barbecued it like the guy said on the video. I will link his video below in the description box. He also has the rub recipe in his description box, but I'll post it in mine as well. So yeah, it's absolute perfection. It's perfectly moist, not dry. I did 3 minutes with this side, the front side down first, and then I did 3 minutes with the back side down. It was around 350 degrees, but when I did go out to my barbecue last time, it was showing higher, so I don't know, it might have been like 450 to be honest, but he suggested 350, so I would listen to him. My potatoes are absolutely perfect. I did throw them back in for 3 more minutes at 375. Totally perfect, amazing. Yes, very good. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.